Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching for Tech. 5 months back we bought the OnePlus Nord 2 and done the world first unboxing and straight unlocking, rooting and flashing the TWRP video. So today we got our channels another new device OnePlus 9RT in this box. We bought it at 38k from the OnePlus site with the 4k voucher and 1k rate coins, total 5k discount. So today we'll do the quick unboxing tour and finally I will tell you how to unlock this device, how we can flash the permanent TWRP and root using the MAGISK chip straight out of the box. I think this will be also world's first unboxing with the straight rooting. All the things are given in timeline, so you can jump directly to the specific part of the video as you want. But before proceeding, in the upcoming days you will find all the custom ROM installations, their reviews, modding and all the upcoming stock 9RT OxygenOS update reviews and their comparisons. So my humble request to you is that please like and share this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all the awesome content of 9RT as I already told you. Now without further ado, let's get started.
A new adventure.
So I took out this OnePlus 9RT box from the outer packing as you seen in the intro. I will not take too much time in the unboxing as you all seen the already lots of unboxing videos previously on the YouTube. On the back of the box we can see the device general information like this is the 9RT with the price, content in the box, manufacturing details, device specifications like Hacker Black Color Edition with the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, Snapdragon 888 processor with Dolby Atmos sound. On the front of the box, big OnePlus device model number we can see as 9RT. Let's remove the packing and unbox our awesome OnePlus device. In the box on the top we get some OnePlus stickers, brochures, leaflets and the OnePlus Red Cable membership card. I am not interested in all of these things. Let's go forward. So this is our OnePlus 9RT. We keep this aside. Below this we get the 65W super fast wrap charger which charges the device up to 50 to 70% within 20 minutes. This is our red charging USB Type-C cable and black silicone case which is not so premium but its quality is okay. On the back of the silicone case we get the Never Settle and the OnePlus logo. So this is our OnePlus 9RT. After unwrapping, just one word I want to say, this is amazing. This is my first and really awesome looking first premium OnePlus phone. Overall, phones really feel sturdy in the hands. On the back, this is the new Hacker Black color and the camera module which really looks very premium. Camera module has 50 megapixel main cam with the Sony IMX481 flagship sensor, 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro cam. I will test the cam fully in the another video. On the front, we get the 16 megapixel selfie punch hole camera, earpiece speaker grills at the top, 120Hz E4 AMOLED 180p fluid display panel. On the left edge, we get the volume buttons. On the right edge, we get the OnePlus signature alert slider and a power button. On the top, there is a flat surface with the single microphone. On the bottom, we get the stereo speakers that support Dolby Atmos, USB Type-C port and dual SIM slot and another microphone. If you apply the black case on the device, I really don't like that look, but the back case never settle and the OnePlus logo shines with a different angle which looks cool. I think I covered all the important parts of the device unboxing. Let's start the device and then we will do the rooting and the TWRP flashing process. Rooting and flashing TWRP is everyone's personal choice as I love the modding, flashing different MAGISK module to gain the more customizations and usability of the device. For that, TWRP and rooting is must. So if you're like me who likes the adventures, you can do this at your own risk. So after setting up the device, I went to about phone. Here you can see the phone was on OxygenOS 11.3 A4 Android 11 version. But when I went to the software update, I got the new update A07 with the mass security patch. So I downloaded the update and flashed it. You can use this method to root and flash the TWRP on any OxygenOS version, but it's best to keep up-to-date version of OxygenOS on the device. After updating to the latest version, go to the settings and the about phone. Under the version tab, you will get the build number. Repeatedly tap 8 times on it to enable the developer setting. Now go back in the main setting, search for the additional setting tab. There you will get the new developer mode setting. In this, search for the OEM tab, enable this tab. Now search for the USB debugging, enable this tab also. Now under the password and the biometric setting of the device, remove all the pins or the password if you kept any lock on the device. Now before proceeding, you need the Windows PC or the laptop with the latest ADB and fastboot drivers installed on it. Now we need to boot device in a bootloader mode. For that you can follow the ADB command process or hardware button combo method. In the ADB method, first connect phone to the PC, open the CMD window anywhere on the PC using the shift plus right click of the mouse. Now in the CMD window, type ADB devices. On the phone we will get some prompt, accept that. Now type ADB devices again. Now phone will get detected in the PC with the device ID. Now type ADB reboot bootloader, phone will boot to the bootloader mode. By using the hardware combo, you can boot to the fastboot. For that, power up the device, then long press the volume up and down and the power button simultaneously. Once you will get the fastboot name on the phone, immediately leave all the buttons. Now we will do the bootloader unlocking. This will wipe all the data, so take the backup before proceeding. Now open CMD window, type in CMD window fastboot flashing unlock. On the phone you will get some prompts. Now use the volume up and down button to change the selection, and to select use the power button. Select unlock bootloader using volume buttons and press the power button. Phone will restart and will do the wiping process and reboot to the stock OS within 5 to 10 minutes. Once phone booted again, enable the developer mode and enable the USB debugging. But OEM tab will be grayed off, means our bootloader is unlocked now. Again boot your device to the fastboot mode, which is also called as bootloader mode. Now we have to download two files on the PC. One is boot image and another one is MAGISK24.2 APK file. First we will flash the boot image to get the TWRP on the phone. So open the CMD in the same folder where you place both the files on the PC and type fastboot devices in the CMD window. If your device detected, it will show your device ID as shown on the screen. If no, then you need to install the drivers again. Now type command fastboot boot filename.img. Phone will boot to the TWRP. Now in the TWRP, first tap advanced menu, then tap install current TWRP. Once the TWRP installation gets completed, then tap reboot and select the recovery option. Phone will boots back to the TWRP. Now go to the backup and take the full Android backup. If the backup with the data partition did not work, deselect the data partition and take the full backup. It should work now. Save this backup to the PC. You will find this backup under the storage and inside the TWRP folder. Now on the PC, rename the MAGISK24.2 APK file extension to .zip file and then copy this zip inside the device storage. Now tap install and select the MAGISK24.2 zip and flash it. Remember, only flash the TWRP 24 plus version. Don't flash any other version of the MAGISK in the TWRP. Once flashing gets done, tap reboot to the system. Phone will boot to the stock ROM. Now download the MAGISK24.2 APK file and install this as a normal APK. Open it, it will show you the latest MAGISK24.2 has been installed on your device. Still, for the more confirmation, we will download the root checker from the Play Store. Once the app installed and gets set up, tap verify root. You will get the root access notification, tap yes, and boom, you will see your newly purchased OnePlus 9 RT MT 2111 is properly rooted on the Android 11 version. Let's again check if the TWRP is permanently installed on the device or not. So we will download and install the advanced reboot app from the Play Store, open it and tap recovery. You will get the root access prompt, accept it and your device will boot in a TWRP 3.6. This is all about the unboxing and rooting of OnePlus 9 RT. Both the root access and the TWRP properly got installed on our OnePlus 9 RT. So now you are ready for flashing the MAGISK modules and the custom ROMs via TWRP. But remember, always keep the TWRP in Android backup and follow all the steps shown 100% without the mistakes. All the download and the commands given in the video description, use that. If you want to unroot, just go to the MAGISK app and tap full uninstall MAGISK tab. App will remove the MAGISK and restart the phone and your phone will get unrooted. This is just beginning of the amazing content for the OnePlus 9 RT. If you really like my work, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.
Here we go.